Today on Low Carb with Jennifer, I'm going to show you how to make chicken Caesar salad pizza with a Fathead pizza crust. Hello, welcome back to Low Carb with Jennifer. Today I'm going to show you how to make a salad on your pizza, and it's going to be so delicious. We're using the universal amazing Fathead pizza crust. So we're starting with 1 3/4 cup of mozzarella cheese, and we're going to mix in 3/4 cup of almond flour. And I like to do that with my Fathead crust. It just makes it so much easier to mix together once we melt this. We're also going to add 2 ounces of cream cheese. So this is going to microwave for 1 minute. If it's not completely heated through and easy to mix, then do for 1 minute and 30 seconds. So I cooked mine for 1 minute in the microwave and it is looking perfect. I'm going to let this cool off, and I'm going to add in 1/2 teaspoon of Italian seasoning. I'm just going to keep stirring it. We don't want to add the egg yet because it might scramble the egg. We want to let this cool off a little bit because it's pretty hot. Let's mix in this egg. And you can try and do this with a spoon, but you're probably going to have to use your hands. I'll spare you the smushy sounds and the smushy look. And in a minute, it will be all mixed up. Okay, our dough is looking good, so I'm going to spread it onto this sheet tray, and then we're going to cook it in the oven. So I recommend having a little bit of avocado oil or olive oil on your hand to help this spread much easier. And that just is coming along. We're going to make it look like a real pizza, because it is a real pizza. You can make this as thin or as thick as you want. You can make it round, you can make it square, you can make it oblong, however you want it to look. How good does that look? Okay, this is going to bake in a 400-degree oven for 10 minutes. When it's finished, we're going to remove it from the oven and we're going to top it with some olive oil and some Parmesan cheese, and then it's going to bake for an additional 5 minutes. Okay, our pizza crust is all done out of the oven. It looks so amazing. So let's make the Caesar salad for the top. I've got some romaine lettuce here, and I chopped up 1 chicken breast, and I just cooked it in the skillet until it was cooked all the way through. Super simple. And then I'm going to use some of this Primal Kitchen Caesar dressing. I like the ingredients and it's tasty, so I'm just going to pour about 4 or so tablespoons. Okay, so now we can mix this up, and I'm going to season it with a little bit of salt. I like to have some salt on my salad and some pepper. Give this another quick toss. And this salad is ready for our pizza. Just going to dump it on there. Okay, and we're just going to evenly spread it out. How good does that look? Looks so good. Okay, let's slice this up. Look at that. That looks amazing. Now this pizza you might have to eat with a fork because it is salad. So let's get a taste. It's so good, you're going to love it. Make sure you check out this recipe for my keto pizza pockets using the same Fathead pizza crust, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.